barking out. Oh, that's a good puppy right there. That one's good. Tell our other puppy to stop barking. Say, Louis, stop barking. Get in here. Huh. Where's that doggy going, Al? You tell, be good. Be good, puppy boy. Yeah, that sounds good. Say, be a good boy. Yeah. Be a good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Give him a kiss. Kisses? Kisses for mommy? Oh, my love. Oh, thank you. Thank you. A kiss for Louis, too? Oh, very nice. A kiss in the belly. Mwah. Oh, he's going to give you one back. And kiss for that puppy. Better get the end of the leash. Where are you going to take him now? Big smoochies for puppy. What about a big smooch for mommy? Really? Tell him, be good dog. Louis, you be good. You be good, puppy. Good. If you're good, I'll give you a lot of kisses. Right, Al? Hi, Al. Hey, Peanut. Oh, you trying to wrap him around you? You're so smart, Al. Give him another kiss. Mwah. I know you love Louis. Right on the paws. Yeah. What about on his face? Uh-oh, he's going to get you, girl. He got